Mastering the art of polite requests. Asking for time off. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of English conversational skills. Our main focus is making requests and offers, specifically when you need to request time off from a supervisor. It can be a bit daunting, especially if English isn't your first language. But no worries, we're here to give you some handy phrases to make it easier. When making requests in English, especially to a supervisor or in a formal setting, it's crucial to use polite language. Using polite phrases shows respect and professionalism. It can also help make your request more likely to be accepted. Let's dive into some useful phrases for requesting time off. I would like to request some time off. This is a straightforward and polite phrase you can use to introduce your request. Would it be possible to take a few days off? This phrase is a bit more indirect, as it asks for permission rather than stating your request directly. Could I possibly get a few days off? Similar to the previous phrase, this one is indirect and shows a respectful deference to your supervisor's authority. I was wondering if I could take some time off. This phrase is even more indirect, expressing your request as a question or thought you've had, rather than a direct demand. Remember, the key here is to maintain a polite and respectful tone. By doing so, you're showing your consideration for the supervisor's authority and the needs of the workplace. When requesting time off, it's often necessary to provide the reason and specify the dates. Here are some examples of how you can do that. I would like to request some time off next week due to a family event. Would it be possible to take a few days off in the first week of August for a planned vacation? Could I possibly get a few days off around the end of this month to attend to some personal matters? Giving reasons and specific dates helps provide context for your request and can make it easier for your supervisor to understand and accommodate your needs. That's it for today's session, folks. Remember, when requesting time off, it's important to be respectful, be clear, and be specific. With the phrases we've learned today, you're well equipped to make these requests politely and effectively. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll feel more confident in making requests in English. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video.